Greetings, Mark Bowen here. Going to be looking at superscripts and subscript. How to use superscript and subscript. Some of you might be wondering what is superscript and what is subscript. We're going to be looking at what is superscript and subscript. And then you're going to actually do the action to let you see exactly how you're going to actually do that. Very important. If you notice right here, so what is subscript and superscript? Right, so you're going to be looking at it. It's a subscript or superscript is a character that is set slightly below. What is below or above? So one above and one below. It's normal line of type, respectively, right? So we're going to look at the next one. It is usually smaller than the rest of the text. Subscript appear at or below the baseline, while superscripts are above. So superscript above, while subscript below. Right, so we're going to be looking at how we're going to do them separately. You notice right here, superscript, right, so we have 24 centimeter, right, so I want to put it into square, 129 centimeter, I want to put it into square also, 5 centimeter, I want to put that also in square. Now if you notice right here, we have subscript right here. Right, so we're going to put this H2O in the right formula. You notice right here glucose, you notice it's a formula, but you notice it's not in the correct order. You notice butane and the formula, octane formula. So we're going to actually get to work to see exactly how we can actually fix it, right? So definitely right here, where centimeter is concerned, the first thing that we wanted to do is to block the 2. So we're going to block the 2. Notice we block the 2, right? We're going to come right up here and click on the word home. When you click at home, you're going to come right here, say font. You click right at this last button here. When you click, if you notice, this is superscript, this is subscript, right? If you come like this, you can actually move it, right? So I'm going to click right here on superscript. As I click on superscript, then I click on OK. You notice right up here, this is a square. I'm going to block it again. I'm going to click right here again, click on superscript, and you're going to click just the same. All right, you notice, click right here, there's a font. I'm going to check this box, and then we're going to click on OK. If you notice, I have my 45 centimeter square right here. Let me bring it up somewhere that you can actually see. Right, if you notice right here now, we have our centimeter square right here. Right, so we're actually just looking at superscript right here. So now we're going to be looking at subscript. Right, if you notice right here, the formula now. Right, well, the first one is 2 or 1 of like 2 in the middle. Right, let me. Right, now when I block a 2 in the middle, notice I'm going to come right back up here. Click on the little launch button inside the font. I'm going to click on subscript right here, and then I'm going to click on OK. You notice I have my H2O right here. So if you notice the glucose right here, definitely we're going to be doing that one. Definitely. All right, so we're going to block. All right, so this should have been 8 instead of 6. All right, so we're going to block the 8 just like that. We're going to come back up here. The last button right here, we're going to click on subscript. Then we're going to click on OK. All right, notice we have it right there. So now we're going to block a 12 right here now. Ensure that you block a 12, then come right here. Click on subscript, like that. Notice my formula right there. I'll go on to button again now. We're going to block the 4 by one on the left side of the mouse. Right here. We're going to come right up here, font. When you come at font now, definitely subscript. Can that. Alright, so the next thing that I wanted to do now is to block 10. When I block 10 now, notice, take a time. We're going to block a 10. We're going to come right to the launcher here. Subscript. Right, notice our formula here. Right, now we're going to come down to octane. Now we're going to block the 8. I click right here, is a font. Subscript right here. Right. Then we're going to block the 18 now. Right here. Block the 18 now. We're going to come right up here. complete task. So there you go. All right, so let me bring it up that I can actually see. All right, if you notice, we have a 24 meter square right here. Notice we have 129 centimeter square right here. All right, if you notice right here, we have 45 centimeter square. So that's exactly how we actually get the superscript right here. And for the subscript, if you notice H2O, we actually get correct stuff. If you notice so octane right here, your glucose value, notice we get the formula right here. That's how we actually use the subscript to get the formula right here. Octane, you notice? Octane, so this is how we actually use superscript and subscript to get this formula. So hope you have learned something from this video here. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.